What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Ooh, what they making? Oh,
We got pusas.
oh, pusas. Oh, yum, yum, yum. All right. Woohoo!
Order some Greg?
What's going on?
Well, I'll take it to you. I'll take it to you. I can walk it to you. I can walk it to you. Stay in the shade. There you go. There's all me.
Oh, they got the milkshakes out here too. I didn't know they do that. What the heck? Cookie versus bakery. Yep. This is what they have remaining. So come get them while they're here. Ooh. Look at that. I'm still thinking about getting one. Hello. This is Frankie's favorite spot.
All right.
She let me pause this.